What's up? What's up? How you doing? Quad Squad Adventures. All right, we coming to you today. We chilling in the garage today. As you can see, we got all the toys in the garage. All right, it's a wet, rainy day out there today. I've had the Polaris Sportsman 450, 2018, 2019. I got it in 2019, so I think it's a 2019. So anyway, I had it for about a year now. I'm about to take it for its first service. I'm gonna take it to the dealership for its first service, but it just it was giving me an issue that I don't know if anybody else is dealing with that I just want to kind of let you know about. So it was a knocking noise right here by the gas tank, and if you press on it, you can it'll stop. Okay. So right here, and you can hear knocking, right? Hear knocking. So what I did was, I removed the seat. All right, just reach back down, pull up, remove the seat. All right, and as you can see, I already got the air filter hose removed. All right, air filter goes right here. All right, and what's happening is right here is knocking. Okay, right there is right here. Just this piece right here. Knocking against this thing. And when I said that thing was starting to aggravate me, it was starting to aggravate me. So what I did was I take the air filter off, got this little piece off. I'm gonna apply a piece of two-sided. It's a little cushion thing that goes with my action camera that I'm not using. All right, just a little piece of is sticky on one side, sticky on the other side, and I am going to install it right here in this area, right here. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that good. All right, going to install it right here in this area. Okay, and it should stop some of the knocking sound. Okay, so we'll try and see if that works, and then we'll give it a go. All right. Now, I'm gonna tell you my first mind. My first mind is to just remove this thing altogether and put this shit somewhere on the shelf in my garage and just ride like this. Okay, that way I ain't got to worry about it. You know what I'm saying? So it goes right there and it's knocking right here. So I put it right like it's supposed to go. All right, it fits right there and it's knocking right here. All right. So if it's knocking right here, then this is the piece that's causing me problem. Instead of putting the little double-sided tape thing with the little cushion right here, the hell, just take this motherfucker off and just ride like this. Now I'll put something on this to make sure I ain't getting no debris and nothing in there. Put something like a little filter, or just something like a little cloth, little piece of fabric or something to where air can suction in it, but it won't get no sand, no dirt, no debris in it. But hell, if this is the piece that's causing me issue, then and I don't need it, then why even add a little piece right here? So that was my first mind telling me. But that's my second mind is telling me restore it back to factory settings, right? Put it back like the factory made it. Put it back like the Polaris people made it. Because I don't work for Polaris and I ain't no four-wheeler expert. But goddamn, I ain't no, you know what I'm saying? It don't take a genius to know if that piece is bothering me and it go right here, then remove the piece and I ain't got to ever worry about it no more. So we'll see. I just wanted to let y'all know that's what my first mind said, but I think I'm gonna go with my second mind and put my little piece back on there, and we'll take it from there. I just had to let y'all know I was thinking that, like, hey, shit, take it off and not even worry about it no more. All right, I got it cranked up just so y'all can hear what I'm talking about. Right up in here. If I press on it, you don't hear it. Alright, you hear that? Alright, so that's what we're gonna fix today. Alright, so we're gonna crank it back up and we're gonna see. I did my little install, put my little piece right there. My little piece is one side tape and then it's a little cushion that I just put on there, so we're gonna crank her up, see how she do. See, no difference. right? So just that little piece. Just that little fix right there, right? See what I did? See, I don't know if you can tell, but it's just a little piece right here. That's a little cushion that I put right there. That's not giving me no issue now. All right, no rattle. All right, too easy. All right, so just an easy little fix. If you got a Polaris and you got a little knocking noise that's coming right by the gas tank, I got you, all right? Just an easy little fix. You ain't got to take it to the dealership for that. But I'm still about to take this bad boy in for its first service. Probably sometime over the next month or so. All right, other than that, live free, live fun, live life, ride wise. Go, say it one more time. Say it, quad squad out, baby.
Say it, quad squad out.
Stage fright. See you there.
No, 1, 2, 3, go.
Quad squad out.
Yeah.